Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Sunny Paji, on your left here, Simran Singh from the first post. यहाँ पे, जी. So first of all, congratulations to the team for the fantastic trailer. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि जब भी आपकी एक फिल्म आती है सर, in the age of digital and VFX loaded films, आपकी जब भी फिल्म आती है सर, जो आपका जो एक्शन होता है, it's very raw, rustic and it's very practical, based on practical effects. So is this your preference? मतलब जब आप एक्शन को देखते हैं, is this your definitions कि मतलब जितना हो सके it should be raw, real, and it should be like it should not be filled with special effects. What do you want to say about it?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, cinema, everything, whatever we do should be believable. Otherwise, it doesn't. I mean, one doesn't enjoy it. And action, I always have. I mean, ever since I've been doing films, I used to do everything myself. So, उस वक्त सब चीज़ें रॉ ही होती थी. And it's just after, I don't know when everything started changing. But definitely, I mean, any emotion or whatever it is, and action is an emotion. So the more believable. I mean, we do go a little larger than life, but we should believe that it is possible.
Hello, Sunny sir. This is Hasti from Cineblitz. Over here, straight. Yeah. So I wanted to ask that, as the film is, we saw the trailer, it's fantastic, as everyone is liking it. But as it's based on the terrorism part and that's being shown, there are many films and series nowadays, coming out on such topics. So, how different is it for this film, which you felt, this is the USP for, like something really different in this one?
See, what I liked about the thing is that, I mean, just imagine if, actually the explosions come into the city and we are not aware of it, what a goof up it is. So that's what something excited me, and I said, and how they're going to go through it, and that's what Behzad and the writers, everybody brought across, and that was very exciting, the way they bring things on the screen. And it is not pinpointing anything, it is just pinpointing, I think the main issue of anything in life, I think, is nothing but money. So that excited me. It was not just simply blaming things, but the reason is very definite. And I think we all, everything आजकल जो भी हो रहा है सब पैसा ही हो रहा है.